To turn on edge lighting on Poco C85, you can only do this by using application from the Google Play Store, because as default we cannot find this feature on this smartphone. So we have to download this application, Movies Edge, AOD and the edge lighting. Now open this one and you have to go for edge lights, and as you can see over here, when you swipe to the left or the right side, you can find a different theme. So it depends on the preferences. Let's say that I want to get, for example, this one. Now as you can see, we have to grant the permissions for this one. It actually requires audio and notification access, so we have to grant these permissions one by one. Click on it, and we have to just select the Movies Edge from the next screen. It's located here. Click to allow access. Click here that you are aware of possible risks. Click OK, and now you can just go back from this screen. And right now, when you receive some kind of the notification, you will actually receive this AOD on your phone. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you'll find this video useful.